Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Hallé with Witness of Light Music. So I had a song finish, sent it off, the stems off to the artist who then wanted to have some additional post-production. And so the producer, he took the stems that I had, sent him bass, drums, harmony, and vocals, so then he could do some additional production. So what he did though was he slid the entire production over so he could put a reverse reverb on it. Sounds like this. This is his version here. That's what he did. Now my version doesn't have that space in the session, the Pro Tools session. Just gonna mute the reference, and this is my version with his stems inside. Right? So we have a little bit of an issue, but we're gonna fix it. Okay? So what I need to do is add time at the beginning of my Pro Tools session. So to add time or measures to the beginning of your session in Pro Tools, the most precise method is using the insert time command in the time operations window. Let's go there right now. Let's go up to event, time operations, insert time. Okay, so now we have a couple little options in this menu here, and you can take a look and see that my start time is 1 and 1. If I go up here, I could change the value to a time versus a bar, but I want to stay in bars because I want to add 1 bar at the beginning. So I'm adding it at the start time, and I'm adding, I said 2 bars, 2, like that. All right, now apply, and it's going to shift my entire session over 2 bars. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all of the stems that were sent to me. You know, I'll probably just grab those after. And I'm going to shift it over like that. I'm going to grab these ones, shift them over to the same time. Now what I should have is the stems lining up exactly with my session. Let's take a listen. There we go. Okay, that was a quick little video. I wanted to show you this solution. Very, very simple, very easy. Don't forget, you're going to go up to event. You're going to go over to time operations, insert time. You're going to make sure that your cursor, make sure it's at 1, just like that. And then that's when you start inserting your length. Okay, we'll catch you later.